Hi, my name is Teresa, and usually I'm behind the camera at We Grow Hair. But today I felt compelled to do this quick video to share with you what We Grow Hair has done for me. I want you to take a quick look at my hair. It didn't look like that 2 years ago. Do you want to know how they fixed my hair? Come with me and I'll show you.
Okay. Hi.
It's really easy. There's so many ways to fix your hair here at We Grow Hair. There's hair transplants, both FUE and multi-unit hair grafting. We do something called platelet-rich plasma, which is PRP. There's also micropigmentation and laser therapy. Twice a week for 20 minutes. My hair gets thicker and stronger and healthier, and that's how We Grow Hair helped to fix my hair.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 800-496-7225 or visit WeGrowHair.com.